Alrighty class, welcome to the last video of our solar system video series. This is the third one out of 3, so you have made it to the end, but this is probably the most important one. But before we start getting on with the gist of this video, let's review the goals for these 3 videos. Why did we do these? Why did we take the time? We wanted to be able to name all the planets in our solar system. We wanted to create a way to memorize them in order so you can actually know them instead of just having a bunch of names. And now we'll be able to apply your knowledge and create your own diagram showing what you have learned through these videos. To review the names of all the planets, again, from closest to the sun here at the top to farthest away here at the bottom, we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Again, those are in order from closest to the sun to farthest away down here at the bottom. Another element that we did that we need to review are the sentences. Again, the crazier the better. If you still don't have one, your homework from last night shows that you all can make pretty crazy sentences. So this is the one that I gave you as an example. My very eager mother just served us nachos. And here I'm just showing you how each word relates to each planet. The my for Mercury because of the M's, which I have highlighted there in yellow for you. Very for Venus with the 2 V's. Eager for Earth with the 2 E's, and so on and so forth for the rest of the planets. Now we have to apply our knowledge. Songs are fun and sentences are fun, but a picture is worth 1,000 words. You will create one of these pictures right here. It probably won't look as good as this because this was on the computer, but that's okay. I want you to draw the sun on one end of your paper and then draw all of the planets in order from closest to the sun to farthest away and label each one of them like they have here. So we'll have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I want you to be able to draw each one according to size, with Jupiter being the biggest, Saturn having its rings, have the Earth with the oceans and the water. This will just ensure that you know all of them in order. Here are some of the requirements for your homework. You have to create this diagram on a piece of computer paper. I don't want it on notebook paper. We can add it to computer paper so that you can easily add color to it without there being any lines, without it being messy. On the back, I want you to put your name on it or you will not get any credit for this because I can't give credit if I don't know whose paper it is. I want you to add color to every planet so then it looks very colorful, so we have a colorful solar system instead of it being just black and white. I want you to make each planet the correct size. Like I was talking about in this slide before, Mercury is kind of tiny, but then Jupiter's really big, and Saturn's a little bit smaller than Jupiter, but it still has its rings. I want you to draw each one according to what they are supposed to look like. And I want to make sure that all the planets are in order and that they are all present. I don't want any planets that have Mercury here, but then Neptune and Jupiter and then Earth and Mars. I want to be sure they're all in order, and I want to be sure that all 8 are there. So before you turn in your paper, be sure that all 8 of your planets are there. If you need to, refer to your sentence that you created to make sure that you didn't forget any of your planets when you're making this diagram. If you have any questions, you can go to my classroom website. This website, you can find my email on the home page as long as my Twitter page. If you have any questions, be sure to tag me in your tweet to make sure I can see it, or I won't be able to see when you tweeted me. If you tweet at me or if you email me, I will get it right away and I will answer your question as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching our solar system series, and be on the lookout for the next unit. We will have our video series over. Have a great night, and I can't wait to see you at school tomorrow.